Hello everyone, welcome to CAD School YouTube channel. Here we are going to start our Solidworks basic tutorial series. Uh, I will give you a brief introduction about our tutorial series. In this tutorial series, we are focusing basically the beginners into this platform to Solidworks. So we are starting from basics. In our content, we have 50 basic exercises for SolidWorks. After you are practicing these exercises with us, we hope you will be able to improve your basic SolidWorks skills. So without taking too much time, let's move to the our exercises. So we hope you will stay tuned with us. If you are still not subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to CAD School YouTube channel and also click bell icon for notifications. So thank you, stay tuned with us and practice these exercises. Thank you.